Do you remember when I complained about updating the maps online? Well, something strange happened. I use the navigation system quite often, mostly to know the arrival time. You see, if I know the arrival time, I'm not in hurry. And if I'm not in hurry, I don't break the laws. So, last time when I was entering new local destination, there was a surprise. When I arrived to destination, the maps were still updating. Don't panic! The update will not be cancelled if the engine is switched off. Few hours later, the maps will be waiting for you. It looks like when I chose the Columbus, I made a right decision. Thank you very much for watching my channel. And if you like my videos, please help me. How? With subscribing to my channel. Cheers!